Hey guys, it's John Gutierrez here, and now we will be sterilizing our Ethicon laparoscopic graspers. Firstly, we check that our instrument, labeling, and packaging is intact and ready for placement on the autoclave rack. We then scan the instrument in our tracking system and then place it onto our autoclave rack. Stereo-peeled instruments are usually placed at the topmost in the autoclave rack. This is to reduce the chance of other trays, including those in the autoclave cases, dripping condensate on the stereo-peel instruments and thus compromising not only the integrity of the package, but the effectiveness of the sterilization cycle itself and thus the terminal sterility of the stereo-peeled instrument. Our particular instrument, in its stereo-peeled packaging, is validated to undergo both standard and heavy instrument sterilization cycles, as its final sterility is the same regardless. Once our autoclave load is ready to go, we hang our process challenge device on the rack that has our GKE test strip within, and carefully push our load inside the autoclave. Upon completion of the sterilization cycle, we will check our printout to verify that all necessary parameters are met. This includes 8 cycles of vacuum and steam pulses, and in the sterilization phase of the cycle, a minimum of 5 minutes of sterilization at least 134 degrees Celsius under at least 3000 torr. We then sign and date the autoclave printout, and then the load is carefully removed from the autoclave while protecting ourselves by using heat-proof gloves. We've observed appropriate manual handling throughout the process thus far, but need to be especially careful from this point onwards, remembering to move in linear directions and never twisting our body to move the load. The GKE test strip is then checked to verify adequate steam penetration and signed for approval. The load will then sit to slowly cool environmentally until it reaches 18 to 22 degrees centigrade. When it reaches this temperature, it's ready for storage.